What's up, people? Welcome back to the program, hitthebid.com. It's hitthebid.com. You got to come to the website and we'll let you know about the new, exciting website that we have going. A collection of traders, of disgruntled, angry, funny, fun-loving guys. We all get our own page. We all get to yell back and forth each other about the end of the world. Right now, we're in a debate with one of our traders on the website who claims to have gone to the woods in Florida somewhere seeking out aliens, and he is under the impression that he has actually had first contact with some aliens, and they gave him some advice to short the stock market, and he's under the belief that this actually did happen. Now we're trying to figure out whether or not he was being these visions were induced by some sort of chemicals or some naturally occurring products floating through the atmosphere or growing in cow dung. We're not sure yet, but that's what goes on at hitthebid.com. Sometimes our advice comes from the spirit world, sometimes it comes from hallucinogenic adventures in the forest. But that's what you have to do. You have to come to hitthebid.com to see what it's all about. Yesterday, another bang-up day. We sold out of the Hearn, which we were accumulating last week. We took some profits on that. We took some profits on the FSLR. It was a pretty good day. Nothing much going on, but there was money to be made. So there is a serious side to all this. But then you could come and you could just hang out, talk about movies, talk about your drug-induced hallucinations that you had in the forest of the Ozarks in Florida, whatever the hell that. Are there Ozarks in Florida? What am I talking about? So I am feeling better because the anger and the bile and the rage is starting to come back, my normal state of mind. And my online therapist says that you should have a positive attitude going into work each day. If you have positive energy that's flowing around you, good things will happen. I say, blow me. Blow me because it means nothing. You could go in thinking really, really positive about everything, and then one thing goes wrong, and that good mood that you're trying to hold on to so aggressively turns into what normally will be rage and fury, and then you're just doubly as mad. So just, I don't know, you don't want to go high, you don't want to go low, the manic depressant. I was watching some old videos, somebody who just found the website says they just spent 3 days watching all my videos and they're in love with me. And I appreciate that, friend. I'm glad that you watched all 700 of my videos. And a lot of times you can't get an idea of what this is all about. The bottom line is we're trying to have fun. We're trying to hang out, give each other some advice, maybe how to make some money. And we have somebody that also emailed me about how he's given up on the stock trading and now he's a futures trader. And he's got this way of making 300 to 500 a day, and he's been doing it for about a month now, and things are going really well for him. So we're going to have him in the chat room today. Hopefully he'll stop by, tell us about his new adventures into the world of futures. So we're gapping down. That could only mean that we'll probably start rallying sometime through the day, because it looks like since Thanksgiving, people have just taken the rest of the year off. The year has been amazing if you were brave enough to hang on to some stuff for the last 7 or 8 months, and nobody wants to lose their profits here at the end of the year. So there's not much going on, but there is always something to do, and we'll try to find it for you here at hitthebid.com. And if all else fails, we have a couple of models coming in next week, and we have 2. We just need 2 more, and we're going to complete that calendar, and hopefully you'll want to get a Hit the Bid calendar along with a t-shirt for the one-time price of probably about $30. So you're going to get a t-shirt, you're going to get a calendar, and you'll have full access to the new Speakeasy, the sub-layer of the hitthebid.com family, where you get to hang out with us on a daily basis, the secret chat room that we have where we're just giving out free money. It's right, yeah, just come to the chat room. It's hitthebid.com. Tell your friends about it, and if you're paying for a subscription to somewhere, why not just come here and hang out? If you're in a chat room where they're talking about penny stocks and you're kind of getting sick of penny stocks because they never do work out, come to hitthebid.com. And if you want to learn about some stuff, hey, you know what? Send me an email. I'll email you back if you have some questions. If you're looking to open up an account, I can tell you where you get your cheapest rates. If you're looking to do anything, I can help you out. And if you're just suffering from addiction, I'm your man to talk to because I could talk you down off that ledge. I could talk you down through the withdrawal symptoms because I've gone through it all. So think of me as your guru of the stock market and your guru to sanity because I've gone to the other side and I made it back. And I'm here to say I'm here to help. Okay? If you need some help, if you're feeling edgy and trying to quit smoking, if you're trying to do any of that stuff, I'm here for you. Lay down at the couch at hitthebid.com and I will guide you through it to make your life more enjoyable. And if you just want to be miserable, hey, you know what? Misery loves company. I'm your man. Whatever your problem was, whatever your problem is, and how pissed off and angry and depressed you are about it, been there, bro. Been there. I could talk to you. I could talk through it. You got problems with your wife, your girlfriend, debating what to do for the Christmas holiday, feeling lonely. Hitthebid.com is where you want to come. I'll be your friend. I'll be your friend for free. I'm looking for friends. I like to have new friends. That's right. I'm 38 years old, but yet I'm still looking for friends. Some people say that by this age you should have all the friends. You're not going to make any new real friends. You know what? I say that's bullshit. Come to hitthebid.com. You and I could be friends. Maybe next year I'll take you to Vegas with me. Because if you want to see what it's really like to party, you got to come and hang out with this 38-year-old because once a year I try to prove to myself that I'm still a child, and Vegas is a good place to do that. And there is not that much footage, and I know you guys are waiting for it. Later on today, I'm going to show you just a clip of what was going on in our suite. And one day at about 4 in the morning, we were just starting to rehearse for some stuff, and we threw a little bit of a clip together. So watch for that later on today. And what more can I say? Let's see how this day pans out. Generally, every gap one direction fades back the other way, and then we go flat for the rest of the day. So we're gapping down. I don't know the reasons for it, but it's probably insignificant. Data? Do we really give a shit about data? Bernanke? Is that what we worried about? Inflation? Interest rates going up? All that stuff? Don't matter. Don't matter. Nothing matters except the movement of the stocks and how much balls you got to hang on to them. All right, don't churn your account because that's a lot what's been going on lately. Generally, these days are looking like they've been over by 10:30, 11 o'clock. And then you could come and hang out. From 11 to 12, you want to talk about movies, you want to talk about what we're going to do for Christmas and New Year's and that kind of stuff, and all your so-called resolutions that you're not going to hang on to, those resolutions. So I'm going to have resolutions. We'll see. We'll see how long we can go with our resolutions. But that's it, my friends. Come on to the chat room. Come to hitthebid.com, and I will direct you to the new, exciting website. All right, and I'll start putting pictures up of some of the girls that we took photos of also in the Vegas. So later on, I'll show you a little clip from Vegas. We'll put some pictures up on the new website so you can see what we were doing in our bathroom, and we had some girls in the tub. It was a lot of fun. All right, hitthebid.com. That's where it's happening. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to come. Even if you know nothing about stock market. Even if you just want to come and say, hey, man, you are just looking like you're having the best time of your life, friend. I just want to be a part of that. I know nothing about the stock market. I just want to hang. I just want to hang out. It's free. Come on over. Hang out. See you soon. And good luck. And let's make 2010. We got to come up with a slogan. 2009... never mind. 2010, here we go again. I don't know. We've got to get a good slogan for 2010. See ya. Come up with a slogan.